And here's the day after the snowstorm. I want to try to do a before and after of these big branches that were there. Because we ultimately ended up with over 7 inches of snowfall. There's a squirrel over there. Hi, cutie. Good morning. You got your buddy over here. You have a partial tail, too. You have a little more. You'll grow yours back, huh? You gonna grow yours back? You're stuck with your short tail, baby. Where'd that gray squirrel go? He was just hopping in the snow. They really don't like the snow. There you go, baby. Want to make sure you eat. I think they chased you away early yesterday. You didn't get to eat much, huh? There's another one. Let's see. You gonna try and get through the snow? Come on. Not liking it, huh? Oh, goodness. You're too cute. Don't come up here and scare little one, okay? Oh, you found a nut. Bye. Up the tree, because they don't like to sit in the snow.